you know yourself better than anybody, but one of the things I had to do was cut some stuff out of my life, stuff that wasn't mattering to nothing. And I regularly have to take myself off social media. And so the first thing I did was I took all of them off of my phone. And I still do that. Now I do have some on there now, but when I had to get myself to where I wasn't worrying about or something that was taking my focus off of taking care of myself, I got rid of that thing. Sometimes it wasn't permanent, sometimes it was permanent. But you need to give yourself a break from social media. We don't need to be scrolling. What are First of all,